Hey yo, what's good? What's good? Out of nature, man, getting it in, man. This is more of a channel message when I be taking my nature walks, right? When I be taking my nature walks in nature. These are the sacred times for me to connect. Not with a lot of people, not with a lot of noise, but with the nature of our abilities from within. What is nature calling right now? What is the message right now? The message is to stay grounded and to tune into yourself. Regulating the nervous system, moving the body to stay out your head and stay out your mind. To get clear on how you're moving throughout your life. Appreciate the presence of right now. Be in the rhythm of your own flow. Be in gratitude with life that you are presented with in this moment. Take a deep breath and understand that you are wonderful. You are magnificent. You are in peace within your mind. Even though the body is moving, but you appreciate the stillness within His presence. I love how the sun from within reflects the sun without. Knowing that the sun don't change positions on the outside world. The sun stay in one spot, but we always constantly move. Moving forward, taking a step at a time. Not to be stressed about the bills and the things that's outside of you that always going to be here to the remaining of time. The key is how you going to master yourself and move with the intentions of you. Moving with the intentions of you is always important. Right now, I'm at the age of 38. Proud to say I am doing very well. Nobody knows when is the last day or the last minute, the last second for anybody. I could live to about 150. I could live before I'm 39. One thing I do know is to always live life within the present moment and don't waste the precious time that you have with yourself, because that time with yourself you can live fully and have longevity as long as you take care of yourself. No matter where you go, you can't take yourself out of the equation. Yourself is always in alignment with you. Regulating the nervous system by movement and taking deep breaths. And to know all is well. That is my channel message. Without the thoughts, without the mind interfering. That's the message that came through clearly, came through clearly with clarity. Those words kind of one and the same. So, just want to go ahead and drop that message. Quick little message for us. And I'm signing out. Master Mel. One love.